In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your design projects using Google and Canva, a powerful and user-friendly graphic design platform. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, Canva's intuitive interface and extensive library of elements make it a fantastic tool to create stunning visuals with ease. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Canva project. If you're not quite sure what project to work on, think of something that could benefit from a touch of creativity, like a presentation slide, a social media post, or even a fun invitation card. Once you're in your project space, you'll notice a multitude of options at your disposal to make your design truly stand out. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Elements tab. This is a treasure trove of design possibilities, where you'll find an extensive array of visuals that can elevate your work from ordinary to extraordinary. Here, you'll simply type peace sign into the search bar. As you do, watch as a variety of peace sign illustrations, ranging from abstract to classic styles, appear before you. This allows you to tailor your design to fit the mood or theme you're aiming for, whether that's professional, quirky, or somewhere in between. When choosing which peace sign to incorporate into your project, consider the overall aesthetic of your design. Is it bright and colorful, or is it more muted and understated? Picking an element that complements the existing components of your project will ensure a cohesive and visually pleasing outcome. Remember, with creativity, there are very few hard and fast rules, so allow yourself the freedom to try out different options until you find just the right fit that resonates with what you intended to express. Now, with your chosen peace sign in place, take a step back and admire your work. Adding elements like these can bring a sense of balance and intrigue, capturing the attention of your audience and conveying a specific message or vibe. And there you have it. You are done. You've successfully navigated through Canva to enrich your design project with thoughtful, styled elements. As you continue to experiment and refine your skills, you'll discover that the possibilities within Canva, combined with the versatility offered by Google, are truly limitless. Keep exploring new techniques, and soon you'll be creating designs that are not only eye-catching, but also deeply expressive of your unique creative vision. Thank you for watching, and remember, great design is just a few clicks away with the right tools and a dash of creativity. Until next time, happy designing!